Sa makausap pa mga kapuso, good morning! Karong buntaga atong makauban ang proud Pinay scientist nga nakadaog og duha ka prestihiyosong awards nga mao ang Global Exemplary Education Double Gold Award ug the Global Exemplary Innovative Leadership Diamond Award nga si Dr. Jen Elmaco. Hi Dr. Jen! First of all, welcome and congratulations, Dr. Elmaco, for your double win in the Global Women Inventors and Innovative Network. Can you please walk us back to the moment you received the awards? How did you feel winning these awards as a Filipina?
Well, syempre, incredibly humbled, but also having this wave of immense responsibility to make sure na I am not an anomaly, na hindi lang ako mag-iisa. To have news like this, dapat expected na sa lahat ng Pilipina na kunyari, it's the same thing as with, kung Pilipina ka, you're expected to be good in singing, di ba? Or boxing, or a strong contender in pageants. So I am hoping that, it doesn't stop with me na dapat yung increase talaga, marami pang mga Pilipina who will be recognized for the work that they're doing, and also, inspiring also the rest of the world to do the same.
All right, we are celebrating the International Day of Women and Girls on February 11. Do you think that the women and girls of today are ready when it comes to exploring the world of technology and innovation?
Definitely, Jan, definitely. And the great thing about Filipinas and women and girls, all over the world, when we do things, we are committed to make things better. And that is why we are very much inclined to do things with technology and to innovate. We're very innovative. We create things for our families, for our communities. And right now, we women are exploring. Girls are exploring the world and doing wonderfully.
What would be your advice to aspiring Filipino women leaders who want to be successful like you?
I think ang dami kong pwedeng masabi, but for me, it's most important that you know your true north. So ibig sabihin, ano ba yung mga prinsipyo at mga values na importante sa'yo? At paano mo yun kinoconnect sa posisyon mo, the passions that you have, how do you connect it to what you're doing now? Or if it is separate, how do you make sure that you also find the time for what makes you happy, and to make sure that you are consistent in that you are committed. At the same time, that you find your true north, you also have to find your north stars. Ito yung mga guides natin kasi hindi naman ako naging ganito kung ako lang eh. I mean, it would be impossible really. It takes a village. So you find your earth angels, you nurture your allies. Sabi nga ng kaibigan ko, don't take criticism from someone you wouldn't take advice from. Oh, di ba? So, gusto ko yun. Totoo naman. Because sometimes, with social media, pag merong nagko-comment, nagla-like, naapektuhan tayo, or kung hindi nagla-like, naapektuhan din tayo, di ba? So, minsan. So, I think, and if somebody, of course, says something negative about you, tapos narinig mo sa iba, it destroys your day. But as she says, don't take criticism from someone you wouldn't take advice from. So, so find your true North Stars, know your true North, and believe that you are enough and take care of yourself.
Thank you very much, Dr. Jen Elmaco.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.